Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making avocado toast, a simple, delicious, and healthy treat. You might think it's just avocado on bread, but it's so much more. Avocado toast is a canvas for flavor and creativity. Whether you like it spicy, creamy, or loaded with toppings, it's totally customizable. It can be a quick breakfast or a show-stopping brunch. I'll share my best tips to make sure your toast is never soggy or bland. Cooking should be fun, so don't be afraid to experiment. This is your guide to the ultimate avocado toast experience. Grab your apron and ingredients. Let's get started. Let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the world of avocado toast. Ready? Let's go! The foundation of great avocado toast is the bread. Choose something sturdy. Sourdough, whole grain, or rye are all excellent. Toast it until it's golden and crunchy, not just warm. That crispy texture is key for the perfect bite. For extra flavor, rub a peeled garlic clove over the warm toast. Drizzle with a little extra virgin olive oil for richness, and to keep it from getting soggy. Every step builds flavor and texture. Don't rush. Good toast makes all the difference. Now our base is ready for the star ingredient. Simple steps, big impact. Let's move on to the avocado. Your toast is ready for greatness. Now let's pick the perfect avocado. It should feel slightly soft but not mushy when you gently squeeze it. Check under the stem. Bright green means it's just right. Cut it lengthwise, twist to open, and carefully remove the pit. Scoop out the flesh and decide, slice it for elegance or smash it for creaminess. Today we'll smash it for that classic rustic feel. Place the avocado in a bowl and admire that vibrant green. The right avocado is creamy, buttery, and full of flavor. This is the heart of our dish, so choose wisely. Appreciate your perfect avocado. It's about to shine. Ready to season and build flavor. Let's make it sing! Time to mash and season our avocado. Use a fork. Leave it a little chunky for texture. Season generously with sea salt and black pepper. Don't skip this step. Seasoning brings out the best flavors. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime for brightness and to keep the color vibrant. Mix gently and taste. Adjust salt, pepper, or citrus as needed. Trust your taste buds. Make it perfect for you. The mash should be creamy, zesty, and full of life. Now, we're ready to assemble. Every bite should be balanced and delicious. Taste, tweak, and trust yourself. Let's build our masterpiece. Time to assemble your avocado toast. Spread a thick layer of seasoned avocado on your crunchy toast. Now, get creative with toppings. Red pepper flakes, radishes, or a runny egg. Add feta, cherry tomatoes, fresh herbs, or everything bagel seasoning for extra flair. Mix and match to make it your own. Every topping adds flavor, color, and texture. Take a moment to admire your creation. Now take a bite and enjoy the crunch, creaminess, and zing. This is more than breakfast. It's a celebration on a plate. I hope you had fun making it. Enjoy every bite. Delish!